What if reality isn't fixed, but fluid? What if your thoughts bend the quantum field? In this episode, we explore how consciousness shapes reality and how you can bend it. Welcome to Unlocking Your Inner Creator. Let's go beyond the illusion. Welcome, dear soul, to another journey inward, a journey that stretches far beyond the mind, deep into the mysteries of the universe. I'm your host, Sukhmander, and this is Unlocking Your Inner Creator. Today, we're stepping into something profound, something that challenges the very fabric of how we see the world around us and within us. This episode is called Bending Reality, Consciousness, Quantum Physics, and the Holographic Universe. Yes, we're going there. What if I told you that everything you've ever perceived, this very moment, this very world, is more of a projection than a solid truth? What if reality is not fixed, but fluid? And more intriguingly, what if your consciousness is the key to bending it? Let's begin. Imagine for a moment that the universe is not a place, but a projection. The holographic universe theory, pioneered by minds like physicists David Bohm and Leonard Susskind, suggests that everything we perceive in three dimensions is encoded on a distant two-dimensional surface, like a cosmic hologram. It's not science fiction, it's theoretical physics. Particles separated by galaxies can still communicate in real time. This quantum entanglement tells us something astonishing, that separateness is an illusion, that beneath appearances, everything is connected. Think of a hologram. Break it apart, and each piece still contains the whole image. Now apply that to you. Could it be that within you exists the entire blueprint of the universe? If reality is a projection, then perception isn't just passive, it's powerful. Let's bring it closer. What is consciousness? Beyond the brain, beyond thought, it's the awareness of being aware, the silent observer behind your eyes. And quantum physics is starting to whisper something mystic in tone, that this awareness may actually influence the behavior of matter itself. Remember the observer effect? In countless experiments, particles behave differently when watched. The mere act of observing collapses a wave of possibilities into one solid outcome. This isn't just science, this is sacred. Your very awareness bends the quantum field. Your beliefs, your thoughts, your inner dialogues, they are not passive. They sculpt your outer world. You are not a receiver of reality. You are a co-creator of it. Even the placebo effect speaks volumes, where the belief in healing triggers the body to actually heal. Is it so hard then to imagine that belief is a form of energy? That thought is architecture? So, if we accept that our consciousness influences reality, how do we consciously use it? 3 practices. Simple, profound. 1. Meditation. Sit in stillness. Breathe. Listen to the breath of the universe within you. Meditation quiets the noise, so you can hear the whispers of your soul. It reconnects you to the quantum field, the source. Start with 5 minutes. Just the breath. Nothing else. Awareness is a muscle. 2. Visualization. Once still, begin to see. Not with your eyes, but with your mind's eye. Visualize your desired reality as vividly as you can. The sights, the sounds, the feelings. The brain doesn't distinguish between imagination and memory. It records both and rewires itself accordingly. When you visualize, you recode your system. 3. Intention setting. Intentions are energetic arrows. They focus your awareness. Each morning, ask, what do I choose to create today? Speak it, feel it, believe it. Then move through your day with mindful presence. Every moment becomes a portal. You don't need to force reality to change. You need only align with the version of it that already exists. Let's ground this with truth from lived experience. There was a woman I once met, lost in anxiety, unsure of her path. Every day she practiced one small ritual, morning affirmations and 5 minutes of visualizing her dream job. Not just thinking, feeling it, living it. Within 3 months, the opportunity arrived, effortlessly. Her outer world shifted, because she did. Another man battled chronic pain. Doctors gave him pills. He gave himself presence, daily breathwork, focused healing meditations, loving conversations with his body. Within weeks, his condition improved. Coincidence? Or coherence? These aren't miracles. These are the natural laws of a quantum world, activated by awakened minds. And you too are part of that field. Your story is still being written. What if the next chapter bends in your favor because you bent it? As we come to the end of this episode, let's remember the universe is not just out there, it is within you, around you, of you. You are not separate from the quantum field. You are it, dancing in form, dreaming in motion. Your consciousness is not a side effect of matter, it is the composer of your experience. So meditate, visualize, set your intentions, and most of all, believe. Because belief is the bridge between what is and what can be. If this episode opened something within you, even a crack, let the light in. Let it grow. Subscribe to Unlocking Your Inner Creator. Share this episode with another soul on the path. And let's build a conscious community of creators who remember who they are. Until next time, stay curious, stay luminous, and keep bending reality one thought at a time.